Recording in progress。
好啦，各位 PV 嘅同學大家好，我哋又翻嚟 D09嘅重點筆記啦。OK， 記住我哋上一堂咧講咗 Miss Pencil 呢一樣嘢啊。OK， 仲記唔記得佢將 Miss Pencil 攞咗乜嘢同佢做比較 ？Miss Pencil 同埋 Colour Pencil 啫嘛。OK， 我哋要記住啊。今日講個故事係呢一樣嘢嚟嘅。好，照舊我哋睇翻啲生字上面嘅嘢先啦。Think 呢一個字咧，除咗我哋成日解諗呢一樣嘢咧，我哋仲可以解認為啊。譬如啦，Miss Lee 可能問你What is your favourite ice cream？ 我問你最中意嘅 ice cream 係咩？咁你就可能回答I think it is vanilla。咁你就可能話我認為 vanilla 係我最中意嘅口味嚟嘅。OK，colour 就係講緊顏色啦。OK，gorgeous 咧其實就等於 beautiful 嘅意思啊。OK， 所以可能你遲下咧突然間話讚媽咪好靚喎 ，Mommy is gorgeous。OK， 你就可以話媽咪你係 gorgeous。OK， 我哋就唔一定下下要用到 beautiful 呢個字嘅。break 呢一樣嘢咧就係解打破啊，得唔得？可能大家細個嘅時候都有唔小心打爛嘢嘅呢啲經歷嘅，得唔得？Go away 就解叫佢走開、離開嘅意思啦，行開咗。Pick up 就好似 Miss 咁譬如話 Miss pick up 咗一個曲奇餅咁樣。OK，grow up 呢一個意思咧就係解長大嘅，就係我哋都一直慢慢開始長大緊嘅。OK， 好啦，咁去翻落嚟呢一度啦。今日咧有個重點，我想你記住嘅，記住你見到 every 呢一個字 ，every 呢個字係本身係解每個啊嘛。或者可能有啲人會覺得佢係逢嘅意思啦，即係可能逢星期一、逢星期日、逢星期三咁樣。OK， 記住呢一啲嘢，我哋就係講緊習慣，而習慣咧，我哋就要用到現在式嘅啫，得唔得？即係譬如可能你逢星期一至五或者1至6你都要翻學嘅，咁你就會話I go to school every day， 你唔會話 I went to school， 你唔會突然間用過去式噶嘛，明唔明白 ？OK， 咁我哋一齊睇翻先啦。咦，一嚟個題目就有 every 呢一個字咯喎。得唔得 ？Every Miss Lee 講過用現在式啊嘛。OK， 咁所以 I 後嘅動詞唔變啦。I go，I know。OK，every Saturday I go to the pet shop。佢話咯，每個星期六咧，佢都會去個 pet shop。pet shop 就係間寵物店啊，同媽咪一齊。OK，so I know the way， 所以我知道條路點樣行嘅。Today I 乜嘢 alone for the first time。OK， 好啦，呢度我哋就要小心啲啦，因為咧可能就要用到。都係用翻現在式先，跟住啦，再落去幫我圈住 at present 先嗰啲啦。呢一度就小心啦，因為我哋要開始用翻現在進行式啦喎。OK，at present I am walking down 啦。佢話啦而家呢一刻咧，我行緊落去條街度啊 ，and I am singing a happy song。記住，因為 at present 呢一度係成個句子都一齊用㗎，佢一直行嘅時候。同一時間 at the same time 同時啊，佢都係唱住一首好開心嘅歌噶嘛，明唔明白 ？OK， 跟住佢話 suddenly I realize I 後動詞唔變啦，我突然間發現咧，我行咗去一個錯嘅方向喎。OK， 佢話啦 instead of the pet shop， 我冇入到去寵物店，我去咗邊度啊？佢話I arrived at the toy shop。喂，咁可能好搞笑喎。其實佢咪想去玩具店㗎，係咪？咁跟住啦，佢就再講啦。I look 嘅話，I 後動詞唔變啦。and 記住天平嚟嘅，前面冇 s， 後面都唔會加 s 嘅，得唔得？佢話 I look around and see colourful toys everywhere。佢話啦我周圍望下啦，跟住就見到咧有七彩繽紛嘅玩具喎。OK，I'm laughing because it is so funny。好啦，佢話佢笑緊喎，佢可能就覺得自己好搞笑。明明我要幫媽咪去買嘢㗎嘛，我要去 pet shop， 但係我竟然去咗玩具店喎。OK， 咁跟住 quickly I turned around。喂，好乖喎佢即刻轉身再去翻正確嘅商店喎。And head to the right store， 就去翻個寵物店啦。咁跟住突然之間叮叮叮叮叮，見到 now 要用咩色話？冇錯，幫我寫翻低。現在進行式啊。OK，now I am paying close attention to where I am going。佢話而家咧，我一直全神貫注喺度睇住緊我自己應該要去邊度嘅，唔可以再去錯地方，好似上次咁啦，傻傻咁樣。咁跟住啦，佢話 finally I reach the pet shop。reach 呢一個字都係到達嘅意思啊，等於 arrive。佢話啦，最後我終於到咗個寵物店啦 ，and OK，buy 仲買咗狗糧俾隻狗狗 ，mission accomplished。咁佢就話啦，喂正啊，我做咗我嘅任務啦。OK， When I get home, Mom is waiting for me。佢話媽咪咧就喺度等緊我啊。記住啊 ，wait 我哋係要用 for 㗎。OK， 媽咪等緊我 with a big smile。咁跟住媽咪啦就好細心咁問佢：你有冇遇到咩困難啊 ？Do you have any trouble？OK，she says。咁跟住啦，我就同佢講啦 ，I tell her my little adventure。我同佢講咗我今日嘅冒險之旅，就係我明明應該要去寵物店，但我最後去咗邊度啊？係啦，去咗玩具店喎，得唔得 ？OK， 咁所以今日嘅 tenses 嘅練習係比較簡單嘅。OK， 好，落翻嚟呢一度啦。我哋今日咧就要睇翻閱讀理解咯喎，記住做閱讀理解我哋先睇問題嘅，咁所以喺呢度啦 ，did 啦 ，take 啦 ，OK， 我哋而家開始用過去式做閱讀理解㗎啦。Where 記住我哋係問緊地方啦，幫我寫一次。就算你識你都要幫我寫，因為其實我發覺大部分嘅小三做閱讀理解嘅時候都係比較唔熟㗎。得唔得 ？OK， 而家我問緊啊 ，Where did the dream take place？Dream 呢一樣嘢咧係講緊夢啊，佢今日發咗個夢喎，跟住嗱佢就話啦，其實發生喺咩地方㗎？咁我哋一齊睇下咯喎 ，OK， 揾翻一樣字眼先，咦係咪有個 dream 喺度啊？咁我括翻住先，有冇講到地方啊？佢就話 last night 係解昨晚啦，琴晚嘅意思啊。OK， 佢話 last night I had a dream that was both scary and funny。scary 即係好驚、好害怕、好得人驚嘅。OK，I was stuck in my bed sleeping soundly。OK， 咁跟住啦 ，when suddenly 佢話本身瞓得好冧，但係突然之間忽然間咯喎。OK，I found myself in a strange place。我突然間發現咗自己一個好奇怪嘅地方咯。咁有冇講到個地方啊？佢就係話一個好奇怪啫喎。咁所以你要幫我指去後面打翻粒星星。佢就同我講咗啦，地方喺呢度。佢話 It was a giant Candyland。佢話係一個好大嘅糖果嘅地方喎。OK， 咁所以呢一度先係我哋 Q1 嘅答案，得唔得？咁所以幫我寫翻低啦。記住啊，一係我哋第一個字寫翻落嚟㗎，咁所以係 the dream。跟住我哋慢慢學緊 do does did 㗎嘛，細個 Miss Lee 教你，我話你 do does 唔準寫落去。同樣地，而家學埋過去式 do does did，我哋呢三個字我哋係唔抄得嘅。does 係用嚟做咩㗎？提我加 s 咯。did 係提我做咩啊？要轉過去式，得唔得？所以其實個題目已經提咗你好多嘢㗎啦。咁其實就會可以避免我哋俾人扣咗一分，知唔知道 ？The dream took place in a giant Candyland， 得唔得 ？The dream took place in a giant Candyland。OK， 咁跟住啦，再落去啦，第二樣嘢，佢話啦 ，What was a strange spot？ 佢話有啲乜嘢咧係好奇怪嘅地方啊？好奇怪嘅點喎？關於隻 spider 喎 ，spider 係咩咧？蜘蛛啊，幫 Miss Lee 寫低，如果唔識嘅話。咁我哋一齊睇下啦，喂，究竟個蜘蛛有啲乜嘢咁奇怪啊？咁我哋一齊上去睇下咯喎。你呢隻 spider 喺邊度先 ？spider 第一段有冇出嚟啊？冇喎，嗱 spider 係喺呢一度喎。OK， 佢就嗱第一次出現嘅時候，佢就話係一隻好大隻嘅 spider， 好大隻蜘蛛啦。跟住嗱，佢就係 But wait， 佢話等等先 ，This spider was not like any other spider。佢就話喎呢隻 spider 咧唔似啊。不像其他嘅蜘蛛 ，OK， 咁有啲乜嘢唔似啊？佢話 It had tiny， 一隻好細嘅、好少嘅，跟住啦又會有啲 colourful shoes， 仲要着鞋嘅喎，蜘蛛會唔會着鞋㗎？唔會㗎嘛，係咪啊？咁跟住啦 ，and was wearing 仲喺度穿上戴住咗一個好 funny 嘅帽喎，好有趣嘅帽子喎 ，a funny hat， 得唔得？咁所以其實佢有啲乜嘢咁特別咧？原來就係呢一樣嘢咯。第一佢細細隻嘅，第二佢有 colourful shoes on each of its legs and was wearing a funny hat。OK， 咁所以幫我寫翻低呢一度啦。It was tiny， 跟住 comma 啦，我都唔係好記得。colourful shoes。on each of its legs。 得 得唔得？喺佢8隻腳度都有一個鞋嘅，仲係好 colourful 嘅，仲要咧戴住一頂好搞笑嘅帽 ，and was wearing a funny hat。得唔得 ？OK， 所以記住，如果可能咧，有時啲題目咧問你啊呢一樣嘢有咩咁特別，或者有啲咩奇怪嘅地方，你就照抄翻文章嘅句子就得啦。明唔明白我講乜嘢 ？OK， 咁跟住再落去啦。Did 係個動詞啦 ，lead the spider。咦，原來隻 spider 叫 lead 喎。OK， 我哋一齊睇下啦。咁因為問啦，What activity did lead the spider do with the writer？ 佢問緊喎，喂，就有隻蜘蛛同個作者一齊做咗啲咩啊？咁我哋一齊睇下先。OK， 咁跟住啦，佢就話對 spider waved at me， 對住我揮手啊！佢話 Hi there， 佢話 Hello，I am Lee the spider。佢就話啦，喂，我姓李啊 ，OK，I'm the best dancer in Candyland。喂，其實佢話佢自己係最叻乜嘢啊？跳舞喎 ，OK， 咁應該勁搞笑。Lee invited me to a dance party。喂，佢就話啦，個 spider 邀請咗佢去一個 dance party， 邀請 ，OK， 好啦。咁即係其實佢哋一齊做咗啲咩啊？冇錯啦，其實就係一齊去咗跳舞啊嘛。咁所以幫我寫翻低呢一樣嘢啦。Lee the spider danced with the writer。OK， 咁原來就係佢哋一齊去咗跳舞喎。OK， 好啦，第4題啦，再睇落去啦。What happened？ 記住 what happened 嘅問題咧，我哋就可以照抄翻文章。發生咗咩事？佢話喎 What happened when Lee accidentally？ 咩叫做 accidentally 咧？就係解意外地啊！而家佢問啦，喂 Lee 咧意外地咧 bump into a lollipop， 撞咗入去一個棒棒糖嘅時候發生咗咩事啊？咁諗翻先咯喎，邊度有 bump into a lollipop 啊？咦，我哋係咪喺第4段就見到啊？佢話啦 ，as we danced， 佢話當我哋跳緊舞嘅時候啊 ，Lee accidentally bumped into a giant's lollipop。OK， 咁佢就話啦，喂，嗰隻蜘蛛咧唔小心撞咗入去個好大嘅棒棒糖咯喎。咁跟住啦 ，we both got stuck。乜嘢叫做 got stuck 咧？即係塞住咗啊，堵塞住嘅意思啊。OK， 咁即係點啊？佢哋喐唔喐到啊？如果我話我塞住咗，譬如好多人嘅時候，跟住我塞住咗喺街市，我行唔行到路啊？其實就係解佢行唔到嘅意思啊，得唔得？咁所以其實我哋只係需要寫咩咧？就係佢哋塞住咗咯。但係我哋個 we 可唔可以照寫㗎？唔可以啦，記住我哋就要轉翻做 they both got stuck。OK， 兩個都塞住咗，喐唔到喎，冇得再跳舞啦。咁跟住啦，去到最後啦，我只係問緊你 How did the writer feel？ 記住 feel 呢一個字咧，我只係問緊你心情啊。對唔對 ？After waking up from the dream， 當佢喺個夢入面醒來嘅時候啊。OK， 咁我哋又一齊上翻去睇啦。邊度話？咦 ，woke up 呢一個字都係解醒來，記住只係佢嘅過去式啫。OK，I woke up in my bed and still giggling about my strange dream。咩叫 giggling 咧？就係嘻嘻嘻嘻嘻咁樣，嘻嘻笑咁樣嘅。OK， 咁所以啦 ，giggling 其實就係解笑嘅意思啊嘛。咁所以佢嘅心情係點啊？咪就係好開心咯，其實。咁所以幫 Miss Lee 寫翻低啦喎。The writer felt happy。得唔得？記住啊，我哋唔可以照抄 giggling 啊，因為 giggling 係講緊一個動作嚟噶嘛，激笑啊嘛。但係我只係問緊你佢嘅心情，所以呢啲位我哋就要小心啲啦，明唔明白？有時我要轉翻去一個適合嘅形容詞嘅。OK， 好，去到呢一度咧 ，Miss Lee 會有翻少少字想你識啊，因為其實我覺得有時我哋一直做唔同嘅閱讀理解，但係我都要試下將一啲生字記翻入腦嘅。咁當然啦，我唔係講緊就係喂唔係喎，我哋一堂咧要記10個咁樣，咁你會好辛苦，因為你學校都有默書噶嘛。今堂 Miss Lee 想你識嘅生字係咩咧？得3個字啫，幫我寫低 scary 啦，係好可怕的。 好得人驚嘅。譬如 Miss Lee 如果好嬲嘅時候鬧人就好得人驚啦 ，OK？Scary 嘅。跟住 dream 係一個夢入面啦。咁跟住第三就係 invite 啊。譬如啦，你可能話：咦 ，Miss Lee， 我今日咧有個同學生日啊，佢 invite 咗我去佢嘅 birthday party 啊，我同我朋友一齊去玩，好開心嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 試下慢慢每次做完閱讀理解都抽翻1至3個字，你覺得好中意嘅，你去學咗佢，知唔知道我講咩 ？OK， 咁今日我哋嘅重點筆記就去到呢度啦，小三好乖啊！但我發覺最近少咗人交重點筆記俾我喎 ，OK， 我已經買好晒新嘅零食㗎啦，咁所以快啲攞翻過嚟俾我睇下啦 ，OK， 拜拜。